tonight, news of an incident in Australia. Details are still unclear, but it appears several buildings have been damaged and civilians injured. I think we have some footage that's just been submitted.
Trust me, just run! Run while you still can! It's Attenborough! It's David Attenborough! He's fucking pissed off! Oh shit, here he comes!
Disturbing images there. As always, we do have in the studio with us Susan Fay, who's going to give us the latest on this unfolding situation. Susan.
Thanks, Hugh. Earlier today, Sir David Attenborough went from national treasure to international incident. We're no longer able to internalise his rage caused by decades of us celebrating his documentaries while also disregarding their message. He, and I quote, totally flipped his biscuits. At 6:45 GMT, witnesses describe him as becoming abnormally strong, tossing a black cab into the Thames. At 7:20, he was no longer able to contain his rage against humanity's indifference towards the natural world, and onlookers say he grew substantially in size, eventually towering over a double-decker bus or a stack of 11 children. At 9:20, another sighting, this time in Dubai, where a towering Attenborough headbutted the Burj Khalifa, knocking it to the ground before eventually crossing the Indian Ocean and heading towards Australia.
So sorry to cut you off, Susan. I do believe we have someone on the ground who has a visual on the Attenborough who's now reached Sydney. We've got, yes, Tony is down there, old T-Bone. Tony.
Thank you, Hugh. Well, I did just make visual contact on what is now being referred to as a massive Attenborough. He is absolutely humongous now. The very earth is shaking every time one of his beige panted legs makes landfall.
And can you currently see him?
And unfortunately, we lost him through smoke.
És Goliat, hein?
Billowing through a